Hey everyone, this is SMR, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch that I got for Christmas this year. So I've never actually, I have opened this thing up, but I've never taken things out of the bags. So I already know what's in here. So I haven't taken the bags out of the Joy-Cons, but yeah. So this is kind of doing it for the first time, sort of. I really don't know, so whatever. Anyway, let's get to unboxing it. So here's the front. We got the Nintendo Switch with someone putting the Switch in the dock or taking it out. I got the neon blue and neon red for Christmas, so that's cool. And I got the Nintendo Switch logo, and got the Switch in its dock. And then I got TV with a bunch of colors on it. And then here's the right side. We got bunch of screenshots of the Switch, and then same thing on the other side, same thing. So there's two versions of this, well technically four, I think. There's the original gray ones and the red and blue ones, the neon red and blue. I like this one more than the gray one, because the gray one just looks kind of gloomy, and then we got the awesome red and white Nintendo logo. Very classy, very classy. Reminding me of the good old days. So, I think all the Nintendo Switches have 32, I think I concentrate, where is it? It says 32 gigabyte console. So, it shows you what, so yeah, this console's 32 gigabytes, just like pretty much all of them. And this is HDMI, it's plugged into. So, yeah, and it shows you what pictures of what the Nintendo Switch comes with. And then the flap to open it up. And this little code or something. I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, never mind. This is the serial number. But yeah, so I was super excited when I got this for Christmas. And I'm even more excited to open this thing up and actually play it. And there's a little dent right there, but whatever. And then on the back, we have people pulling out the Joy-Cons on the Switch console. Or maybe they're putting it in or something. So now we can actually start, now we can actually start opening this thing up. So, yeah. Gotta open the flap. Good thing it didn't come with any tape to, take off. Lift this thing up. And then over here, it says how to plug it in. I think y'all know how to do this. And then, need help, support. I will be keeping this box because I'm a collector and that's what collectors do. And, oh my gosh, look at, hang on. My camera screen got a little wet, so there we go. But yeah, look at this. Got the Joy-Cons and the system. Still got the Joy-Cons. Oh man, I've taken these out. I just haven't take them out of the bags. So this is completely blind. Okay, I don't know how to hold this and take these out of the bags at the same time. Right. Oh man. Look at this. This is the blue. This is the neon blue Joy-Con. Oh my gosh, look at this. They're actually really small. I think an adult could hide them inside of their hands or something, but dang, just so cool. I'm gonna put the bag back in here because I like keeping the box for collectors. I'll show y'all where I'm gonna put it. So there's this one. Oh my gosh. And then I'll do the system after I do the red one. And here's the big one, the red one that has the A, B, Y, and X buttons, along with the plus button and the home button. And also the AR camera that can tell the difference between rock, paper, and scissors. There. I couldn't do the hand motion right. And it can also tell how far an object is from the controller. And I know that because I've watched the Nintendo Switch presentation. Wait.
Hey, instead of going in the morning to the Verizon store and getting an iPhone piece, what you want to do tonight?
So that's my brother. He got his new iPhone for Christmas. He got the 7 gold, so he's pretty happy as well. So, and be aware it is nighttime, so you know. Yeah, I'm gonna open out the red one. Oh my, hang on, this bag. And here it is. Oh my goodness. This is the red Joy-Con. And here's the IR camera. There it is. got the rails. So we got the red and blue Joy-Cons. And now we're on to the system itself. Oh my goodness. Alright, so here we go. This is the big moment. Like the big moment. So I'm holding the camera and taking this out, which is a little bit tricky, but I can do this. I'm trained to do one thing. And hang on. This is really hard to do. There we go. Oh my. Look at this. This is the Nintendo Switch console. Just look at this. Look at this. Just I want you to look at this. Look at this. How clean and beautiful this thing is. I don't want to get any fingerprints on it, so I'm not going to like turn it around because then it'll get fingerprints on it, and you know me, I'm not that person who likes those. Just to let y'all know. Take this back. So we got the Joy-Cons and the system. Alright, hang on, I'm trying to get this thing back. I don't know how you should get. There we go. Alright, that's good. So now we gotta take this piece off. And here's the rest of pretty much everything. So here we have the Nintendo Switch. I think it's like health and safety information.
Well, no, like, yeah, I did. Oh, sorry, David.
So Weston kind of almost interrupted me while I was filming, but whatever. I'm not doing any bloopers. This is a first-time thing. So it has the health and safety information and usage guidelines, so that's cool. And then here we have the dock, which, I'm going to do the grip, I'm going to do the straps. So these are the Joy-Con straps that it comes with. It comes with two. One for each Joy-Con. So that's cool. Alright, put you back in here. And oh my goodness, look at the strap. So this is how you put the Joy-Cons in the strap. This is really hard to do, so I gotta hold this with my shoulder so you can slide them in like this. Hang on. This is how you slide them in, like that. And then you just hold it on your wrist, and then you gotta put a little bit of force to get it out. Not that much, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So there's that one. And then let's get out the other one. Alright. Put this, sorry, my hand's in the way. Put this back. So, and here's the other one. So, it works pretty much the same, so we don't really need to go deep into detail about them, but whatever. Alright, now we're on to the Joy-Con. Now let's do the HDMI cord. This one feels like the easiest one to do. Pressing out like that. Like so. And then just open this thing and put it right here or something. I don't know, I'll do something with it. So here's the HDMI cord. It's pretty cool. Let's take off the wrap thing. Sorry, I might not be able to show you footage of me doing this. Okay. I don't know how you get this thing off, so I think I'm doing it right. I don't really know. Hang on. I'm sorry, it's taking a while. Let me just slide it off. Like, what am I doing? I could just slide this thing off. There we go. Simple as that. So, there's the thing. I'm gonna put it back inside of it. Alright, so here's the HDMI cord. Just put that, it's a little zoomed in with the camera, so. Alright. And then here's the AC adapter. which is a giant brick. A lot of people have like problems with that. Me personally, not really. I'm kind of okay with it. So take this thing out. So here's the AC adapter. It's a little heavy. It's got Nintendo logo stuff. Do another unwrapping thing with the little ties. I don't really like them, but you know, I have to deal with them sometimes. Just there's a lot of things in life that you just have to do, and you might not like it. So that's a little disappointing, but yeah, whatever. It's part of life. When you think about it. So put this guy back in here, and then same thing with this guy. I'm gonna put this guy back in here as well. There. So let's put that guy back in here. So yeah, this is the AC adapter to actually plug it into the Switch. You plug it in at the bottom. I wish you could do it at the top, but I'll probably get over it. And now here's one of the big things that I've always liked or wanted to do. The Joy-Con grip. So, and here it is. And all of its glory. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Alright, so that's cool. Alright, now let's put the styrofoam thing back. I don't know how to, like, put this in properly. How do you do it? Come on. Stupid thing. Hang on, I gotta get the styrofoam thing back in. I'll leave. Well, hang on. Alright, I'll just leave it right there. It looks fine. So here's the grip. I'll show you how to put the Joy-Cons in. There's this little button that you press, so when you take it out, you push this while you take it out. Otherwise, it won't go in. So this is how you put it in. I like the sound it makes when you put them in. Listen. Okay, well, I don't know why it didn't work for some reason, but I'll show you the other one. Yeah, this looks really cool. Oh, man. Yeah, man. Oh, man, look at that. It looks like a puppy. It looks like yeah, that's what a lot of people say about this. It looks like a puppy dog's face. So I'm gonna take this out. I'll just do this sometimes. Apparently this is harder than there we go. Just need more force. There we go. So yeah, this looks actually pretty cool. Unfortunately, it doesn't charge the Joy-Cons, but yeah, whatever. And lastly, the Joy-Con, or not the Joy-Con, the Nintendo Switch dock, which is, jeez, it's probably the heaviest thing inside, besides the console, but, jeez, it's even in wrapping paper. Jeez, they really want to keep this thing nice. Alright. Come on. Alright, there we go. So, it's in bubble wrap, and then there's styrofoam. So, take this out. And here it is. The Nintendo Switch dock. So, it's got 1, 2, and then you open this up. Just open it, or how do you open this thing? Oh, there we go. And then we have one other USB port, and then we got the HDMI and then AC adapter port. And it has this little thing to like cover the wires, which is cool because some people don't like wires, and I might kind of be one of those people. I don't really know if I am, but I probably am. So yeah, all right. Put all the wrap back inside, and then start to set this thing up. Get back in the stupid bag, you stupid... Man, putting bags in bags. How complicated is that? I don't know. Come on. Get back in there, you stupid bag. Stupid bag. Nobody loved you. You never had a family. Yeah. I'm a 13-year-old, so we talk like that. At least at my school. So, get back in good shape. We don't want you in bad shape. Oh, come on. done! Alright. Yay, there we go. So I'll just live with that. And then we got the health and safety thing. And then just put this back here. Hang on. It's a little hard to do. Actually, wait, hang on. Something's sticking out. What's this? Sorry, I haven't shown footage in a while. So just put that in there. There. And there we go. Alright, so that was the Nintendo Switch unboxing. Now I think we can get to setting it up. And yeah. So that's cool. Alright. So here's the box. I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put it. So let's go into my room because as you can see, we're in the game room currently. There's all this stuff. Right. Room. Oh, wrong way. Oh, so here's my room. Okay, it's pitch black, so there we go. So here's my room. This is where I filmed my first video, which is basically the title of my YouTube channel name. So, alright, I'm gonna put this up there. Actually, wait, hang on. I'm gonna get on top of this thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, gotta be a lot more careful than that. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so there's the Nintendo Switch box. I'm gonna push it back a little bit. So, there it is. That's where the Switch box is gonna be. I will eventually get a Pro controller. Oh, also, there's my Mario plush right there, and then my phone that I never use currently. So, yeah. Alright, I think we can get to setting it up. And then this, I'm gonna put right in here, along with this that I got from GameStop yesterday. Alright, so now we're gonna get to setting it up. So here's the dock. Actually, you know what? I think we don't have to set it up, because I've seen setups of this, and it starts off with you just turning the system on, and then getting the Joy-Cons on, and then starting to set it up. And I'm surprised there's no fingerprints or blurbs on the Nintendo Switch system. Alright, so I'm holding that the wrong way. Alright, so this is how you turn it on. Here we go, turning it on for the first time. Are you ready? I am, so here we go. Oh man, we got the Nintendo logo. So, what are we doing now? Hang on, light's in the way. Okay, so you plug in the two Joy-Cons. Here we go. And I think it makes a little sound effect too when you plug it in. See, like that. Well, there's a little thing on the side. Put the little thing here. Oh, sorry, it's hard to. I'm using my right hand to hold the camera and my left hand to do all the stuff, but the unboxing and setup stuff. And here we go. Up here, and oh, it did the click. Awesome. Language. This is kind of easy. So it's basically just language setup and nothing else. Of course, the Americas. Alright, searching for network. Alright, so I'm not going to do the internet stuff yet, but I don't know. Hang on. Actually, I'll be right back. Just hold this camera right here. I'll be right back. Okay, so basically I just asked Dad what the internet was, and he told me. So, here we go. I'm gonna have to do it. I don't want you seeing this, so... Alright, there we go. Now it's connecting. Come on, please work. Dang it, why wasn't it working? Hang on. Hang on, give me one second again. Wait, so Dad, the internet password was capital S, snakes, on a plane, an S, on a plane, dot. Are you sure? Okay, because it's not working. Okay, Dad, you're gonna be on video in public, so are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? Are you okay being in public? Yes. Here, show your face. Alright guys, so apparently I can't get the internet stuff get going. So here we see my dad.
You had to call in the experts.
Yep, don't spit on the screen. It's brand new. Dad, really don't. It's really nice. And if you got the Switch, you wouldn't do that, would you? I mean, come on, you don't treat your phone like that, do you?
No.
That's what I thought. Don't use the screen. Just use the... Look, you can do that. And then press A.
I'm just going to use this one.
So apparently Dad's doing the whatever thing. Oh, and also, ignore this. I'll do that later. Alright, let's see if it works. Hope it does. Come on, come on. Please work. Dang it. Let's just go. I guess we'll just have to not do
weird.
it. Let's just not do it. Close. Close. Okay. Actually, no, cancel.
I'm going to try one more time.
Okay. Dad's gonna try one more time, so whatever. Just look at this beautiful Rubik's Cube that I got for Christmas. Let's just do that. And here we see my brother in his room, so I don't want to show his face because of reasons. And here's the sign that says game room. Here's all the stuff. So Dad, here's the power cord. It's a big brick. I really hope this works. Please work, please. I guess we'll just have to go with it.
Well, hold on.
Well, can we do it later? You said you try one more time last time, so... Are your hands clean?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna do it again.
Last try.
Alright, last try. If it doesn't work, we'll just do it later, because I don't think I'll really need it that much. Alright, so while Dad's doing whatever, I'm gonna plug in the system. So we need to plug the brick in here. Plug that into here. Now I gotta take off this. Plug it into here. Sorry, I have to do this off camera. There we go. Alright, so we got the power cord in, and then let's get the HDMI plugged in. Did it work?
Yes.
Oh, it did. Yay. Alright, so it worked. So we'll do the setup thing. Connect. Alright, so Dad's done with that stuff. Now we can connect to the TV. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Alright, connect to TV. Yep, remove these. As it says, press the button in the back. And then this out. Alright, now I have to turn on the TV, so that's the thing. So now I have to actually plug it in. I can hide them in my hands. Sorry, I have to do this off camera because it's hard to do it on camera. And then actually, yeah, it's kind of it. Alright, so there we go. Got the switch plugged in. Now I just gotta actually plug in the real thing itself. Take this Joy-Con out. There we go. Put this in right here. Hang on. Give me 1 second. Alright, now we gotta actually plug it into the right thing. HDMI 4. Right? Alright, and it's gonna do anything? Oh wait, no it's not. Now I gotta plug these in. I'm gonna put the straps over here. Because of reasons. There we go. Alright, now I gotta plug these in. And turn the system on. And then plug these in. Sorry. This is a real, I know you're probably thinking, why is this a long video? Because of reasons, my friend. Reasons. Alright, I'll turn this thing on again. For some reason it died. I don't know why, but it just did. Turn on. Oh, there we go. Alright. And here we go. Next. Wait, is the volume on? Hang on. Whoa, whoa, jeez, this is way too loud. Oh, wait, pushing the wrong. What am I? Wait, nope, crap. Dang it, what am I doing? Alright, there we go, hang on. I got this a little messed up. Alright, there we go. Perfect. Alright, now I'm gonna need my tripod right here to like actually hold this camera up so I can show you what's going on with the setup. Sorry, this is, I know this is taking a while, but yeah. Alright, then we gotta go right here. Aim it at the TV. So again, this is taking quite a bit of a while, but that's the thing about these. They take forever, but you kinda gotta live with it sometimes. There we go. Alright, good. There we go. Alright, got that in. Alright, now we're going to do the set your icon and nickname. I guess we're making the user, I think. I'm pretty sure. Is that it? Of course, my favorite color, red. And then, all right, there we go. That's better. More choices. So, I'm gonna do I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a Mario one. So, you can expect that, I guess. Or yeah, something, I don't know. So, let's do Mario. There we go. Perfect. Alright, I'm just gonna do my normal name and my last name, which is, in case if you didn't know, the name of my YouTube channel is called Super Mario Romo because my last name is Romo. And no, I'm not related to Tony Romo, so don't put that in the comments below. I'm not. It's just my parents named me that for reasons apparently. Alright, so. That's why I decided to name it, because if you know the channel Super Mario Logan, he named that off of his first name, which is Logan. Now, I thought of the idea of what it would be like to say Super Mario David, but that didn't go right. So, which is why I decided to name it Super Mario Romo, because it's my last name and it sounds right when you say it. So, that's how it came to be. And then yeah. So yeah, and then my middle name is Rex, no questions asked. But I just don't feel like putting it. Okay, okie dokie. All right, awesome. I guess I don't know how to do this, so okay. I guess create account. What does that mean? Like, let me see. Okay, so I guess we're just later. So I guess there's 8 users that can be on here, so that's cool. Parental. Oh gosh, no. This is a reminder of the parental controls video, so I guess sure. I'm gonna do 0, 5, 2. Actually, wait, no. Hang on. Well, yeah. Y'all aren't gonna know this, so wait, hang on. I'm gonna retype it in because I didn't feel like I did it right. Hang on, let me do it again. There we go. Awesome. Alright. Home button. Wow. Oh man, look at this. Actually, wait, hang on. Hang on. Well, I don't know. I think I'll do something with it later. Just go back. So look at all. I mean, look at all this stuff. So many spaces. Wait. Okay. So there's my page. Okay. But yeah, this looks so cool. So we got the news. Yeah, here's the news, I guess, of what's about the Switch. This is cool. Alright, so I think that will be it for the Nintendo Switch unboxing and setup. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!